गैजेट्स दोस्तों, ये एक ऐसी दुनिया है दैट्स एंडलेस. मतलब द काइंड ऑफ गैजेट्स दैट वी हैव ऑल अराउंड अस, मे बी इन आवर पॉकेट्स, इन आवर ईयर्स, ऑन द रिस्ट. बहुत लंबी लिस्ट हो जाती है एंड दैट्स द रीजन मैं आपके लिए हर वीक basically I try to compile something in a nice package in this show. The idea is to talk about gadgets, the idea is to answer all your questions और बहुत मजे से हम बात करते हैं लेटेस्ट गैजेट्स को एक्सप्लोर करते हुए. Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav aka Technical Guruji. You are watching Gadgets 360 with Technical Guruji. तो जल्दी से आगे बढ़ते हैं, चलिए शुरू करते हैं. फ्रेंड्स, एज यूजुअल बिफोर वी स्टार्ट एक बार थोड़ा सा ब्रेक लगाना पड़ेगा और रिकॉल करना पड़ेगा पिछले पूरे वीक को कि आखिर क्या क्या नए नए गैजेट्स लॉन्च हुए हैं या क्या नई खबरें आई हैं फ्रॉम द फील्ड ऑफ गैजेट्स दिस वीक इन द सेक्शन न्यूज ऑफ द वीक.
Insta360 has launched its highly anticipated Insta360 X4, a groundbreaking camera जो ऑफर करता है 8K 360 degrees video capture. Creators can now shoot first and point later for unprecedented flexibility. The X4 feature करता है upgraded 5.7K 60 FPS and 4K 100 FPS modes, plus the iconic invisible selfie stick effect, stunning third-person perspectives के लिए. The X4 also excels as a traditional action camera with a smooth, ultra-wide 4K 60 FPS single lens mode. इसका rugged design including new removable lens guards boast करता है of impressive waterproofing, लंबी battery life और cold weather resistance. Insta360's AI-powered editing suite content creation को simplify करता है, offering both streamlined and in-depth editing options across its desktop and mobile apps. ये The X4 को एक essential tool बनाता है for both enthusiasts and professional content creators. Ready हो जाइए for a tech revolution क्योंकि Asus, the Taiwanese technology leader, has just launched its mind-blowing ZenBook Duo in India. This laptop is not your regular machine. It's got two OLED screens that will make you go wow. Imagine multitasking like a pro. Content creation made super easy and entertainment that's a whole new level of immersive. The ZenBook Duo is a true productivity powerhouse. Its detachable keyboard and kickstand means you can use it in a gazillion ways. Plus Asus is all about going green, so this laptop has recycled materials, a win for performance and the planet. Get ready to be amazed. The ZenBook Duo packs powerful performance with its Intel Core Ultra 9 processor and Intel Arc Eye GPU. And worry not about the battery. It's got long life and fast charging to keep you going. Connectivity भी एकदम solid है with Thunderbolt, USB, HDMI and more. Samsung, India's electronics giant, has launched a new line of smart se bhi zyada AI-powered TVs. Their Neo QLED 8K, Neo QLED 4K and OLED TVs promise a mind-blowing viewing experience. The Neo QLED 8K's NQ8 AI Gen 3 processor is like a genius, making everything look super sharp. AI picture technology, AI upscaling pro and more features make this the ultimate paisa vasool option. Plus with Real Depth Enhancer Pro, it feels like you're actually inside the scene. During cricket matches, AI Motion Enhancer Pro tracks the ball so well, you won't miss a second. The Neo QLED 4K and glare-free OLED also have powerful processors for stunning 4K and glare-free viewing. Plus Dolby Atmos gives you that amazing theatrical experience. These TVs aren't just for movies. Cloud gaming, education apps, and even smart yoga with an AI mat. These TVs are all-round entertainers. Plus, they connect seamlessly with your smartphone and other gadgets too.
So friends, for the top story of the week, मेरे पास में है Nothing. Well, Nothing से I mean these two new products from Nothing. This is the all-new earphone from Nothing, which is called Nothing Ear, and this is an affordable version called the Ear A. अब नथिंग आपको पता है इट्स वेरी यूनिक ब्रांड जहां पे वो काफी इंटरेस्टिंग डिजाइन मिलता है एंड द काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स दैट दे हैव इन द लाइनअप इट्स क्वाइट यूनिक एक्सपीरियंस और बेसिकली हमको वही नया प्रीमियम एक्सपीरियंस मिला है इन दीज टू न्यू ईयरफोन्स फ्रॉम नथिंग। बेसिकली इफ यू रिमेंबर नथिंग ने अपनी शुरुआत भी जो की थी वो एक ईयरफोन के साथ ही की थी। नाउ दिस इज द लेटेस्ट आइटरेशन, लेट्स सी अप क्लोज और हम पता लगाते हैं कि आखिर इन नए ईयरफोन्स के क्या फीचर्स हैं कमिंग स्ट्रेट from Nothing.
Nothing is about to rock your world yet again with the Nothing earbuds, the Nothing Ear A and the Nothing Ear with their next level sound. Let's talk about the Nothing Ear A first. पहली नजर में these buds are head turners, fresh color options, clear design, compact and cool. And check this out, Ear A is smart about noise too. It knows how your ear fits, so ये आपको देता है just the right noise cancellation. What's even better, it figures out how loud your surroundings are और उसके हिसाब से noise cancellation adjust करता है for serious peace and quiet. And the sound you're going to love it. Ear A में एक custom driver है for deep bass and clear highs. And the bass enhance, it's like a mini party in your ears. Plus long lasting battery का मतलब इन earbuds का play time doesn't stop. अब बात करें Nothing Ear की, तो if you want an audio experience that's next level, say hello to the Nothing Ear. इसका ceramic driver ensure करता है that you get to hear crystal clear highs, booming bass like it's a front row seat at a concert. It's power packed too. It has a long battery life and these buds support wireless charging. Plus ये बना है gaming के लिए भी. That low lag mode makes all the difference with reactions lightning fast, leaving the competition in the dust. Whichever you choose, the Nothing Ear A or the Nothing Ear, you're getting next generation features, packed with tech that's built to last and guaranteed to make your music and your life sound awesome.
So guys, there you have it, the two new latest earphones from Nothing, completely wireless, the all new Nothing Ear and the Nothing Ear A. Well, to be honest, मुझे इसका डिजाइन ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है. The simple reason is that this Nothing Ear is almost looking exactly the same as the previous version. आपको पता है the Nothing Ear 2 that came. So design feels quite familiar, but at the same time, this one, the Ear A in particular, it looks quite unique, like a lunchbox to be honest. काफी fresh color है. This yellow is giving a different vibe altogether. At the same time, हमारे पास में जो Nothing का signature, we have this transparent design going on, तो वो हमको इन दोनों ईयरफोन से मिल जाता है. And basically with interesting features like active noise cancellation या फिर in fact quick pairing या all together अगर हम बात करते हैं, just like the 11mm dynamic driver, these earphones are quite interesting. And now speaking of the price, the launch price for this Nothing Ear A is ₹5,999 and for this the ear is 10,999 rupees. So ये है Nothing की earphones. Well, use कर सकते हैं and if you have a Nothing phone, these could be a nice companion altogether. Friends, just as we spoke about the new Nothing earphones, मुझे sound दिमाग में कहीं ना कहीं क्लिक कर रही थी and sound से दिमाग में आया Siri. Because all the iPhone users, at least the ones जो नया iPhone लेते हैं या फिर हो सकता है वो लोग जो काफ़ी टाइम से iPhone को यूज़ कर रहे हैं, at times they tend to use Siri a lot. वो बार बार बोलते हैं Hey Siri this, Hey Siri that और बात करते रहते हैं अपने iPhone के साथ में आने वाले डिजिटल असिस्टेंट के साथ. But the question is, did you know which iPhone was it जिसके साथ में Siri was launched for the first time? You know what? Siri is quite old. She is actually 13 years old and the simple reason is it was in 2011 that Siri came along the iPhone 4S for the first time ever. Now that time Siri was not that powerful, थोड़ा slow भी था, at the same time the functionality was quite limited, but today it's very smart, at the same time kind of enables us to do a lot more stuff with our iPhone just by using our voice. Did you know this? If yes, amazing. If no, then please let me know just by writing at tg@ntv.com और मैं देखता हूँ कि आपके पास में क्या और कोई इंटरेस्टिंग ट्रिविया है मेरे पास भेजने को. Now friends, for the next story, I need to move out of our studios straight to Samsung Opera House, जहां पे हम देखने वाले हैं the latest range of TVs coming straight from Samsung. So guys, as promised, I am out of the studio and right now I am at the Samsung's Opera House और यहाँ पे Samsung just unveiled the latest lineup of AI TVs for this year. Guys, let me tell you, the TVs are fantastic because पहली बात, we have huge sizes going all the way up to 98 inches, and second thing, we have some amazing set of AI features packed in. तो यहाँ पे let's see up close how exactly are these Samsung's latest AI TVs, and उसके बाद I'll sit with Mr. Mohandeep to know more about these new TVs straight from Samsung.
Samsung, India's leading name in electronics, ने स्मार्ट टीवीज के डेफिनेशन को लिटरली रीडिफाइन कर दिया है. Their 2024 lineup is here and it's all about AI-powered awesomeness. The Neo QLED 8K is the star. With its advanced NQ8 AI Gen 3 processor, तैयार हो जाइए for jaw-dropping clarity. AI Picture Technology and AI Upscaling Pro पुरानी वीडियो कंटेंट को near 8K visuals में ट्रांसफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. For sports fans, AI Motion Enhancer Pro tracks everything with zero blur. This beast even adjusts settings on the fly for movies and games. Craving 4K excellence? The Neo QLED 4K delivers with its NQ4 AI Gen 2 processor. Blacks are deep, colors pop thanks to quantum matrix technology, और ये boast करता है of the world's first Pantone validated display for accuracy. And don't forget the immersive Dolby Atmos sound. Dolby Atmos sound इसको एक ultimate home theater experience के काबिल बनाता है. Samsung अपने Indian users को समझता है. Cloud gaming लाता है AAA titles, वो भी किसी console के बिना. The Education Hub makes learning interactive, and Smart Yoga AI powered posture correction भी देता है. Say bye-bye to your set-top boxes. Apps are built right in. Plus, enjoy over 100 free channels with Samsung TV Plus. Samsung's 2024 AI TVs are a tech lover's dream come true, and prices start from ₹1,39,990.
तो दोस्तों, आज हम हैं टेक्निकल गुरुजी के साथ, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का एपिसोड.
Okay, how do you think कि AI से क्या होने वाला है? मतलब, okay, when you see me, when you hear about technology, the first thing that comes in mind is चलिए शुरू करते हैं. तो when I say AI TV, what comes to your mind? The first thing.
For a brilliant question. I think what differentiates AI is its capability to understand, let's say, the scenarios in which the content is being consumed. Let's say the content that is being consumed, its ability to understand, and then personalize the output to your liking.
Friends, I'm going to tell you something very interesting. So TVs used to be dumb. मतलब आपको पता है, वो याद है टाइम जब you used to go ऊपर छत पे एंटीना हिला के और फिर आप टीवी देख रहे हो. मतलब वहाँ से हम आगे निकले. We got smart TVs. बहुत हमने इसे अच्छे से enjoy किया. But now with the AI TVs coming in, I think it's safe to say that these would be one of the smartest devices that you would have in the house.
Absolutely.
I mean, starting from the phone that has AI built in, to the appliances with bespoke AI, and now with the TV. I think AI is really, taking this stretch ki whatever devices we use, they are getting really smart with time.
Absolutely. And I think again, if I were to come consumer wants connected, personalized, and secure ecosystem.
Mr. How does the future look like?
I think without the device being in your face, without the requirements of doing settings, changing settings being in your face, I think the expectation is that the devices are intelligent enough to solve whatever you are wanting to. And I think that's what we are building for.
Is it safe to say that technology, it's the best when you don't know it's there?
Absolutely.
It should work behind the scenes.
Absolutely.
If I have to ask you, just picking in your favorite feature, I mean, of course, it's like picking your favorite child, but just saying.
But let me not say necessarily favorite, but I have a very, very heightened sense of, this entire issue of security. And for me, that is something that kind of
brings you the peace of mind.
Yeah, so this peace of mind that also this Knox layer brings to your mind is immensely important.
So guys, there you have it, the new TVs from Samsung. The AI is really taking the game to the next level. मतलब बहुत मजेदार तरीके से these new TVs are packing in the latest technologies. For example, things like the latest NQ8 AI Gen 3 processor, या बोलूँगा amazing quality displays, everything packed into this one gadget. Well, that's it for this story. अभी break के बाद आपको बताने वाला हूँ एक बहुत ही interesting tech tip and answering all the questions in the segment Ask CG. See you right after this short break. Hello friends, welcome back after the break to your favorite show about gadgets. It's Gadgets 360 with Technical Guruji, जहाँ पे मेरा नाम है गौरव aka Technical Guruji और मैं आ गया हूँ लौट के वापस से हमारे स्टूडियोज में स्ट्रेट फ्रॉम सैमसंग ओपेरा हाउस। यहाँ आने में मुझे बहुत कम टाइम लगा बिकॉज आई वॉज फ्लाइंग बाय द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट। Well guys, fun aside, अगर हम बात करते हैं थोड़ा सा सीरियस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, तो आई एम गोना गिव यू अ नाइस टेक टिप जिसको अगर आप काम में लेंगे तो आपका बहुत टाइम बच सकता है। Well, we all use Google Translate for various requirements. अगर आपको चेक करना है that how to say I love you in Spanish, it's very easy. Just type it down and आपको Google बता देगा that I love you को Spanish में क्या बोलते हैं। या maybe you want to translate a phrase or something. It's very easy way to translate between languages. But did you know that you can also do this to your PDF documents? Well, ये एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग टिप है। जस्ट इमेजिन दैट यू हैव अ लॉन्ग पीडीएफ डॉक्यूमेंट जो कि इंग्लिश में लिखा है एंड यू वांट इट टू गेट ट्रांसलेटेड इनटू हिंदी। अब ये एक तरीका है कि दैट यू सेलेक्ट द टेक्स्ट, paste and then get the Hindi version and then paste again and whatever. But the easiest option is that just use the Google Translate option. वहाँ पे you have an option to upload a document. Just carefully upload your file and within seconds you would see आपको जिस language में अपना translation चाहिए, Google is doing that for you in just one click and you get a PDF right away. Well, formatting थोड़ा सा change हो सकती है तो एक बार आप उसको double check कर लें तो you will have a immediate copy of a document in the language that you want. Quite interesting tech tip, जरूर use करना, काफी time बचाएगी आपका। Friends, you know what time is it? क्योंकि अभी जो आपको मेरी स्माइल बता रही है, it's pretty obvious the time is about Ask TG. This is the section जहाँ पे I try to answer all your questions जो आप पूछते हैं around your gadgets. अभी देखते हैं इस हफ्ते हमारे पास में कौन से सवाल हैं और मेरे पास उनके क्या जवाब आपको मिलने वाले हैं। You know, I'll be very honest with you. अगर हम बात करते हैं एक अफोर्डेबल प्रिंटर की विद अ लो रनिंग कॉस्ट, इट डजंट गो टुगेदर टू बी ऑनेस्ट। या तो जो आपका प्रिंटर है वो अपफ्रंट थोड़ा ज़्यादा प्राइस आपको पे करनी पड़ेगी, उसके बाद विद टाइम द रनिंग कॉस्ट वुड बी रियली लो। अदरवाइज द काइंड ऑफ चीप प्रिंटर्स दैट यू गेट राइट अप फ्रंट, उनकी पर पेज प्रिंटिंग कॉस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा होती है। दिस इज द हार्श रियलिटी ऑफ द कंप्लीट प्रिंटर इकोसिस्टम। So if you could please specify your budget next time, that if your budget is let's say 5,000 or 10,000 or 15,000 rupees, I would be in a better position कि मैं आपको एक ठीक जवाब दे पाऊंगा, because as of now, to be honest, I'm not in a position to give you a right answer. And the simple reason is I don't know your budgets. At the same time, the running cost budget printer में usually high होती है if you compare. So I mean that's an honest answer.
Hi TG. Could you please suggest me a phone between 20 to 25,000? I need it for gaming and occasionally clicking pictures.
Okay, so you need a phone for gaming, which simply means that performance has to be good. And today, honestly speaking, अगर हम बात करते हैं एक अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस वाले फ़ोन की, in this price bracket, the OnePlus Nord CE4 comes straight to my mind because of the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor. It's very powerful. You get amazing package altogether. So 25,000 के बजट में OnePlus Nord CE4 is a good bet. So friends, there you have it, a completely nicely packaged episode of Gadgets 360 जो आपको just अभी मैंने डिलीवर किया है। एज ऑलवेज विद एवरी एपिसोड इस बार भी हमने काफ़ी कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग कवर किया, फ्रॉम टीवीज टू ईयरफोन्स टू एन इंटरेस्टिंग टेक टिप एज वेल जिसको आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं। जस्ट स्टे ट्यून्ड अंटिल नेक्स्ट वीक बिकॉज अगले वीक आई हैव गॉट सम मोर अमेजिंग स्टफ कमिंग स्ट्रेट फॉर यू। इन द मीन टाइम, इफ यू हैव एनी फीडबैक, एनी क्वेश्चंस, एनी क्वेरीज, you know the address, it's tg@interview.com. आप भेजिए अपने सभी emails. I am here to read them all and I'm going to see you next week. Have a good day.